Okay, so this is our setup. At Bishop's, we've gone for a board. So the track's on 18mm thick MDF. We've got cutouts underneath it, so we've lightened the load, and then we've gone for some 5mm ply over the top. It's really manageable now to lift up and get into place. So over on the wall, we've got some steel that we had in stock, and these are ones that were left over from where the projectors have been put on. So we've had different bits over the years, and we've kind of squirreled them away, and we've used them on here. So they've gone on, and we bought some bearings from Amazon. So they're just tucked down inside there, and they run beautifully inside the track. Just as a bit of an added extra, we've got legs underneath, so our technicians just put those together so they act as a support, and they'll just kind of lift in and out so we can move those. If a child does kick them over, we've gone and got some paracord that's on there, and it's just there as an added safety feature. Really nice and light. Two of us can move it back up into place, and there's a little screw that goes in just to lock it in. We do have some safety bolts at the bottom too. Okay, so hope you like it. We're going to show you in a second just getting this back up onto the wall. So once it's there, little pin will go in the side, everything's locked off. Normally there's three of us, but Simon's on camera today.